Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the Bitcoin Breakdown series brought to you by the Cryptocurrency Alliance. As always, your boy here, Dave Rodriguez, one of the head traders inside the Alliance community. Wanted to chat real quick with you guys today, but first, I want to give a quick shout out to those of you returning for a second show. Also, give a quick shout out to those newbies out there. We got a lot in store for you guys. Hope everyone's having a fantastic day or night, wherever you guys are at in the world. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. It's going to be the end of the video. You got the opportunity to do it right now. Drop a like at the end as well. We're dropping some non-stop content every day, guys, so make sure you don't miss out. And just set your alerts after you subscribe so you'll know as soon as we drop the videos, because a lot of this stuff is needs to be taken care of in a timely fashion, and news announcements and stuff come out all the time, so we need you guys to take a look at that as well. Quick rundown what goes on inside these daily videos. Since Bitcoin is king, we do spend most of our time doing an analysis to see where it all will be going next. We take this information, make some profitable trades on maybe some other altcoins, or maybe we'll take a trade setup on Bitcoin, because that might just be the smarter play at that moment. We're also going to go over and evaluate some other charts that I see set up on. Look for some breakouts. We'll do some coaching segments on some support, some resistance, some trend lines, stuff like that. So there's basically three main things. There's three key things we look for inside of the Alliance when we're trading. We're also giving away a free ebook at the end of this video, guys. Stay tuned. Stick around for that, because I'm going to be dropping all of the secrets, all three trading secrets, what we look for inside of that ebook. It's the Cryptocurrency Consumer Guide, so stay tuned for that. You guys will have an opportunity to take advantage of that for free. Last thing is those fundamentals, guys. We got news events, we got announcements, roadmap completion, stuff like that we'll be dropping in the channel. So all you newbies out there, make sure you stick around to the end. Get your free ebook, and some of you guys will receive, well, all of you guys will receive some of our top trading strategies that take advantage of that link at the end with all of our top trading secrets. Now I want to chat real quick, switch some gears about Coinbase. We've talked about this multiple times, guys. We've covered this 3 times already, and all 3 times we've seen a huge spike in the markets. I can say this, that you guys have to stay plugged in on Twitter, stay plugged in on all the other social media resources or just news outlets, because the more informed you guys are, the better the trading results you're going to get at the end of the day. So ZRX announcement went out a while back that they were going to be listed on Coinbase. The price spiked up. Then someone posted on Twitter that they could see the tax forms in the back office of Coinbase Pro. Then we saw it actually show up, as you can see right here in the picture. Right here, it actually showed up. All the stats are here. You're actually allowed to live trade, not just on Coinbase Pro, which happened the other day and it spiked up 35%, but also on the Coinbase app, which is the easiest accessible way. It's where all the newbies trade. It's where everybody probably bought their first Bitcoin or their first Litecoin or Ethereum Classic. You get the point. This is where people buy that don't know anything about crypto, don't know how to use the exchanges. So this should skyrocket. I think right now it is currently up 35%. We can actually take a look at that real quick and just see where ZRX is trading at. And we're off to the races. Look at this. Oh, we're on the 240. So this is just today, 42% spike. Obviously, we're going to come back down, consolidate, and probably take back off to the upside. But this is, guys, this is the power of fundamentals. This is why you guys need to stay plugged in. Set your Twitter alerts to all cryptos that you are interested in, that you are currently trading in. Set alerts. These buttons right here, you can set alerts up and below. There's like a range right now. So there's a range in Bitcoin. So right now it's at the top of the range. If I had an alert set there, it would alert me that it's time to possibly sell this back down to the bottom of the range, or vice versa. If I had alert set at the bottom of the range, it'd be time to buy it back to the top of the range. This goes for any crypto or any coin that you're looking at. So ZRX spikes. That's one thing we've been talking about for weeks. Those of you who held it since the first announcement weeks ago on another Bitcoin breakdown video, you're looking really, really good right now. Another thing I thought was very interesting, and we can verify this in the chart as well, is QTUM. Blockchain becomes an Amazon Web Services partner in China. There's many articles about this. You guys need to read this article. I think it's very, very interesting. Amazon is, one of the world's largest companies. It's the second company to reach $1 trillion. That happened recently. Big partnerships happening, guys. Big things with QTUM. Let's see what it does to the charts. We'll go over here. Oh, it's USD. We'll do it against Bitcoin. Sorry about that. QTUM. That's Bitcoin. Let's do Binance. Oh, wow. Look at that spike on that announcement. Guys, fundamentals drive the market. So make sure you stay tuned. An 18% spike on QTUM just based on that. Looks like a little Bart Simpson pattern going on here. Could happen to play out the other way. So keep an eye on that, guys. If you caught this spike, lock in some of your profits. What you traded with. This thing could keep right on going. If we see this turn into a nice wick and end up here, we can see this thing travel up, fill this wick in before we see a huge retrace possibly. But this thing could keep traveling north, guys. You never know on these big types of announcements once FOMO buying sets in. So let's chat about Bitcoin real quick. I don't know what that's about. As we saw yesterday, we're playing off this little wedge right here that did break out. I mean, you could break it down even further than that. You can come in here and just play around like that. So it broke out outside of it, retraced completely, and then seriously spiked up with that Tether FUD, which sent Bitcoin through the roof because everybody was exchanging their Tether for Bitcoin. So you see we found support, and we've still found that support. We're still sitting on top of it. We can break it down to a further chart. We'll switch over to Coinbase in a minute, which is what I recommend all of you trade with, Coinbase. But I had this chart already set up, so we're using it right now. But as you can see, let's get rid of that one. We're sitting on top of that support, but bigger. Furthermore, we're sitting on top of. This is kind of a skewed line, so there's many different ways you can put this. It seems like we're sitting like right at a huge area of support and resistance. We don't know which one is going to turn into. Currently, depending on what chart you look at it on, some of the charts it looks like it's sitting on top of it. Some of the charts look like it's sitting a little bit below it. But in all reality, guys, you see what is forming here. This is a pattern we've traded many times. You find support at the bottom, straight across, and then you're forming, this consolidation pattern, this squeeze pattern where it's squeezing price together before it pops out one end or the other. My guess is we're going to see a spike down and then a spike right back to the upside to continue the ladder climbing of Bitcoin. So what is the better play, guys? Should we hold this Bitcoin? Is there a better play in the altcoin market? That is a video we're coming up with next, so stay tuned for that. Trading altcoins, trading Bitcoin, whether to hold Bitcoin or take a chance and trade against Bitcoin and trade some altcoins, something we've been getting a lot of questions about. So guys, Bitcoin right now, like I said yesterday, this is somewhere you could have took a long position. There's going to be some shakeout candles here that might shake us out right here with a big long wick to the downside to hit some of those stop losses, but I see this thing going north, and we will see how it plays out. I will keep you guys informed on every single day that we do this Bitcoin breakdown. So I wanted to do one last thing real quick. We talked about Raiden Network yesterday, RDN BTC. Where's that at? Raiden Network Bitcoin Finance. And we were just trying to play around with this and see what happened. See if we can get a nice pattern finish. Can we get this thing to come up top? No. Can this thing go down and finish this little cup? It's a nice little jump there. From yesterday, I think we were right in here. We came down a little bit, came right back up to this level. I see, if we could break this level right here, we can break this, get up to the upside. I don't know why that's gray. Like that. We could break this, get above here, find some legs. This is going to complete. We'll see this finish. This was just me playing around, guys. I like to have fun on the charts and see some patterns and see if they complete. And this is what I'm seeing, like the same thing here. Just kind of made this swooping pattern after the big up, swooping spike up pattern. We're looking for that next swooping pattern to break this top and take us to new all-time highs. Let's see if it happens, guys. We'll keep an eye on that throughout the week. But for now, keep your eye on Bitcoin. Make smart decisions, guys. Are you going to make more money in Bitcoin by holding it? Or you have a better opportunity trading against Bitcoin and going to the altcoin markets? Or are you one of those guys that just wants to stack fiat, make more fiat, stack fiat, and get in and out of the market? That's totally up to you. But hey, guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the Bitcoin breakdown. I hope you guys will give us a nice like. Smash that like button as many times as you can, guys. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you guys don't miss out on anything we have for you guys. Other than that, guys, like I said, in the description below, you're going to see a link. It's the bitcoinconsumerguide.com/YT. That's like YouTube. My 3 top trading secrets we've put inside this book for you guys to take advantage of. So put your email in, guys. Get your free book. We also got a little bit of a training series that Cody Sperber himself is bringing to you guys. So make sure you take advantage of that. We'll take about 15 minutes of your day, and then we'll give you guys that great free value. And wait till you guys see what else we have in store. So, guys, click on that link. Take advantage of all the free value that we have for you. And we'll see you guys tomorrow on the next Bitcoin Breakdown.